Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to see 11th statistic. So last class we are doing GM, that is geometrical mean. We are doing geometrical mean we are doing, right? So this is the things we have done in the last class. So we have done for raw data, it's over. So we have done raw data. So raw data we can say, or we can say ungroup data we have done. What's the formula we have written? A geometrical mean GM, that is GM equals to, we have written anti-log of sigma log xi by n. We have taken, this is the things we have done in the last class. Now this is one way for raw data. Okay, now we are going to say for group data. Data we have to do. In this group data we are having two types. These two types are, one is what we are saying discrete type, another one is continuous type is that, but the formula is for both the thing is same, but data representation only it's different. Here what's the formula for geometrical mean means the same thing. Here what is the same thing we are going to write? Anti-log of, you write it sigma log xi by n. I'm doing, but one thing you need to remember here, fi will come, that is, sorry, one thing will come here, fi. Same thing, if you see these two things, the same anti-logarithm of, here fi is extra is that, here it is not that. This fi is nothing but frequency. You have to write I ranging 1 to n here. Here also we will write I ranging 1 to n. Our wish we can do it in any way. Okay, so now we are going to do one problem. Example, we have example 5.9. How the questions are done now. Find the GM, find the geometrical mean, geometric mean for the following data, we are saying it's a for following data, which gives the defective screw, which gives the defective screws obtained in a factory, we will say in a factory we can say. So that's the thing we have to keep it in mind. Okay, so here what's that now? Here it's a diameter in centimeter we can write. Another is number of defective screws we can take. So it will be like this tabular column. I will write here 5, 15 and then 25 and then 35. This is diameters. And how many now? Here 5 screws are defective, 8 screws are defective, 3 screws are defective, 4 screws are defective. You can make it as a box. Okay, for roughly I have written like this one. So keep it in mind. So now the aim is, here diameter is xi. Here because this is fixed, it's not a changing, diameter is not going to change, only the number of counting may be changed. So that's why we say it's a frequency. Here 5 screw, 8 screw, 3 screw, 4. It may be 4 also, not an issue, but diameter 5 means 5 only. That is a fixed thing. So we can't change that one. That's the thing. Okay. Using this one, we are going to write how we have to solve this one. We'll see it. We'll go to the next page and we have to frame the table. So how we are going to frame, you just check it. So we know the formula that we will write. Okay, I am writing here because we will frame the table for our convenient. It will be like this one. First xi, then fi. Okay, xi is what I know. Diameter is 5, 15, 25 and 35. That's the thing will come. Another thing is fi is 5, 8 3, 4. This is the things we are having on the tabular column, which is vertically is given, but I have written here horizontally. Horizontally they have given, I have written vertically. You can check the question also, it's not an issue. And just a minute I will show. You can see here the value is what? 5, 15, 25, 35. So same value I have written 5, 15, 25, 35. Same thing here is there. So you can say 5, 8, 3, 4. So I have written here 5, 8, 3, 4 I have written. So that's the thing. So I am writing here formula. What is the geometrical mean formula is anti-logarithm of what is that one? Sigma fi xi sigma fi log xi by n. Log xi by n. This is the thing is that. So here we need to substitute the value. So I am writing just anti-log of. We need to multiply fi into log xi. That things I need. So here I have to take first log. We have fi, no, not issue. Xi should be there. So log xi 1. So it will be log xi. The next one, after that log xi, we need fi into log xi. That what we need here, that I am writing. And then I need n. N value is what here? That summation of fi. N value is nothing but summation of fi. Add all the frequency. Add here 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So that value is 20. It's coming. So n value is 20. So I can write divided by 20 here. Not issue. Only the thing is fi into log xi. So okay. Now xi you take. It's how many digit we will write characteristic. How many digit? 1. So 1 you gone out now. It will be 0 point. This is 2 digit. So answer is 1 point. 2 digit 1 point. Then 2 digit 1 point will come. Is it clear? So now we have to go with the anti-logarithmic table. So we need to take logarithmic table and then we have to get the value. So I'll show the values here. I have to take this logarithmic table. So I'm showing you. You just see here. This is a logarithmic table is there. So clearly the first question is value is log xi. X value is what? 5 is there. So I need to check here 5. You can see here in this 5 because nothing number is there here, just 5. So that's why 5 of 0. So we check it here, it's coming as 5 of 0 is what? Here it's coming. You can see here what's the value it's coming. I will just little bit, I will zoom here. So you can see 5th value is what it's coming? 0.6990. So that I will write 0.6990. That's the value I've written. Next question is 15. 1.5 is there. Next question is 1.5. So 1.5 where it is, you can see 1.5. So leave that point. So it is 0.1761. 0.1761. So I will write 1761. That I will write. Next what we have 25. So 25 you want to see now where it is 25. Here you can see 25. 0.3979. 3979 that you will write. Next one 35. So 35 where it will be here 3.5 only we will say 35. Leave the points here. 0.5441. So 0.5441 that you write it. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. So we got the value of log xi. So now what we need to do now? Fi into log xi we need to do it. That we will do here. Just a minute, I will take calculator. Now you can see I have taken this one. So first is fi into log xi. So f is here 5. So I will write here 5 into what's the value? 0.699. So 0.6990. So the answer is what is coming? You can see here 3.49. So you write 3.495. You add it as a 0 because we want 4 digits. So that's why I have written. Next one is what? 8. So I am going to write 8 into 1.1761. So this I have to multiply. What's the answer is coming? 9.4088. It's coming. So next question is 3 into this one. So that is 3 into 1.3979. So this is the value I have to multiply. If I multiply now, what I am getting? 4.1937 will come. And then finally 4 into this one. So I will write 4 into 1.5441 is that I am going to multiply. So I will get 6.1764 I am getting. So now I have to add sum. The sigma is nothing but sum, summation of fi log xi, that we need to do here. So since I am having 6.17, that is the last number, I am taking plus adding with 4.1937 plus then 9.4088 plus then 3.4950 that I have added. If you add totally, what it's coming? 23.2739. While you are writing, I have written here, so you just keep it in mind that you can frame one bottom corner for our, this should be written within this one. So n value, this value. So that value, that is 23 point is there in here. 23.2739, you write it. Now I am going to divide this value by what? 20. So I am going to divide as 20. So what I am getting? So we will write as anti-log of, what's the value it's coming? 1.163695 is that. Is it clear? So now I want, after decimal I need only 4. You see fifth number is what? 9 is there, above 5. So we round it off now. We will get it as anti-log of what I will get now? 1.1637 you will get. So that you keep it in mind. Now I need to leave this characteristic, only this 1637, that I have to take in anti-logarithm. So I will go with the anti-logarithm table. Just a minute, I will show the anti-logarithm table. So 16.3. So here it is, this one. You can see here. So many values are there. You can see here. Here 16 is there. So 3 now, here it is a 3. So 3 it's dragging. We are getting what? 16.3 is 1.455. So I will write here somewhere. For around 1.4, 16.3 is 1.455 is coming. That I have written. Here 16.3 and then mean difference is 7. So again I will go 16. Here 16 is there. So I have taken 5 value. I need mean difference 7. So mean difference 7 now. Straight away it goes here. So here 7 value is what it's coming? 2. You can see 7 here. Mean difference top 7. So you dragging and taking that 2 it's coming. So lastly you add as a 2. So add it now, what will come? 1.457 will come. So the answer is 1.457 will come. That is the geometrical mean value. It is not over. We need to check the decimal. This is 1.4 roughly, but here characteristic 1 is there. So 1 now, what you will do? Add 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So therefore 14 will come. 14.57. So 1.4 is table value. Okay, in table value it is that. So that we will write as such. But here characteristic 1 is there now. 1 plus 1 2. So that's why 2 decimal you shifted. So that value is what will coming? 14.57 will come. That is your answer. Okay. So I think you have understand this one. This is what discrete type. Why now? Frequency, and there is no class interval for this case. Now we will do one more important sum, which is very interesting, and then it will lengthy. It is having so many data. Just a minute, we will see the question. So question is lengthy, that's why I have written here for see this example. The following is the distribution of mark obtained by 109 students in a subject in an institution. Find the GM, that is geometric mean, marks and number of students. Marks is 4 to 8, 8 to 10, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, like this class interval is there, and 6, 10, 18, 13, 15, 12, 10 and 6, 2 is that. This is the mark obtained by number of students is there. For 40 marks, that much the students are response. Now we need to find its GM. So here it is a continuous type. Why we are saying it is a continuous type now? Because here it is, what is that? 4 to 8, 8 to 12, like the number is what? Continuation is there. So for that reason we need to find what? We need to find its value, continuous type. So we need to follow the formula. So already we know geometrical mean. I will write in this page for understanding purpose, or you want frame a table here also, not an issue. So better we will do here itself. I am just writing the formula. You will take the value and put it here. So roughly I am writing here for understanding purpose. So geometrical mean will be what here? Anti-log of what will come? Sigma fi log xi, sigma fi log xi by n will be there. So we need fi log xi n. Luckily they have given n value is what? 109. So if you add all this number, you will get n value is 109, no problem. So now I am going to frame a table. Class interval first, then we have frequency right here. You want a class mark also we can write. So for f I am writing. So now you can see here what the value is 4 to 8 and it's coming 40. So I will write 4 to 8, 8 to 12, then 12 to 16, then 16 to 20, then 20 to 24, 24 to 28, 28 to 32, then 32 to 36, then it's a 36 to 40 will come. That's a value, right? Okay, we have got this value, isn't it or not? So please use scale for drawing line. Don't roughly draw like how I am doing. So it will lead a confusion. Better you draw in proper way. So this is the f value, and this is I have drawn like this. So we'll, according to our convenience, we'll draw it here. So that I have drawn. It will be extendable. So now you can see here. So I have given one value here. That is the thing. So fi value is this one. You can write here. What is the value is given? 6. And then this is 10. And then it's 18, 30. And then we'll write 15. And then here 12 is there. 10 is there. You can see 12, 10 and 6, 2. 12, 10, 6, 2 will come. This is the value we are having. Okay. So fi value. Now I will know what is xi first. Xi is means in class interval we need to add a lower limit and upper limit. Add it and divide by 2. So 4 plus 8 is how much? 12. 12 half is 6 will come. Okay. So here 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 half is 10. Then 12 and 16 is there. Add it, 28. Divide it, 4 will come. Here 16 plus 20 is 36. 36 half is 18, right? And 20 plus 24, 44. Divide by 2 now, 22. 24 plus 28 is 40, 52. Half is 26. And 28 plus 32 is 60. 60 half is 30. Then 32 plus 36 is 68. Half it 34. And 40 plus 36 is 76. 76 half is 38. So we got all the value of xi. Is it clear? Now we have fi. Now what we are going to do now? We need to take log xi. We need to take log xi value. We need to get. After getting log xi, what we are going to do now? Fi into log xi value we need to calculate. That you keep it in mind. This is our final destination to get. Is it clear? So now for x only log. For first we will write character. For 6, 1 digit. So 0 will come. 1 digit now 1 last. 2 digit now 1 will come. 2 digit now 1 will come. 2 digit now 1. then 2 digit 1 and 2 digit 1 and 2 digit 1 and this is 1 and this is 1, because these are all 2 digit, less it as 1. So 6 is single digit, less it now, answer will come 1. So that we have written. Now we are going to take logarithmic. It's very important. So logarithmic taking, carefully do it here. So first number is just 6. So 6 means where it's coming, here it will come. So there is no 6 at all here. So starting with 1. So here 2, 3 and then it's coming 60, you take it here. For understanding, I am writing like this way, so little bit carefully see. Here 5, you can see here 6 is there. What is the 6 value? 6, simply 6 now, 0 only you have to take. 6 now what? 7, 7, 8, 2. So that you will write it here, 7, 7, 8, 2. The next one is what? 10. So starting with 10. So 10 you can take here. So 10 value is what? Leave the decimal. 10 1 0 na, 10 only no, leave the decimal. So it will coming 0 0. So I'll write here 0 0 0. Next one is what is that? 14. So 14 where it is here 1.4. So 1 4, 14 is what? 1 4 6 1. So you write it as here 1 4 6 1, you write, not issue. The next one, what is that? 18. 18 is, you can check here, 18 is there here, 0.2553. So 2553, 2553, 18. Next one 22. 22 you will check here. What is it? 22. 22 is 3424. So 3424 you can take. Next one, what is that? 26. So 26 where it is here, you can see here 26. So 4150. So I'll write here 4150. Next one, what is that? 33. 30 is here. So 4771. So you'll write here 4771. You write. Next we have 34. So 34 is here. So 5315. 5315 you take. Next what we have? 38. So 38 where it is? You check here, 38 is here. So 5798. 5798. So this value is 5. Sorry, I will write properly. So 5798. This is the value we are getting. So all the value I have written here. Is it clear? So now we have to, next column is multiply fi into log xi. So we found xi. That is xi, how you got? Upper plus lower divided by 2. U plus L by 2 na. Upper limit plus lower limit by 2 I have done. So I got xi. And then in logarithm you have taken. So be careful while you are taking. It should be carefully seen. It should be a logarithm. Okay. Don't take in anti-logarithm. So that is very important. You do it. Okay. So I have written everything. Now what we are going to do here means you are going to multiply fi and log xi. Fi is here, log xi is here. I am doing here. You can see here 6 first into 0.7782. So 7782 you write. So we are getting, what's the value? 4.6692 it's coming. That you write it. Next one, what is that? 10 into 1. So 10 into 1 is 10. 10.000 you can add, not an issue. Next one is what? Fi is 18. So that I will write. So 18 into what will come? 1.1461. 1461. So that is the value is what we are getting. 20.6298 will come. 20.6298. The next value is what? Fi is 30 into 1 point. So that if you are doing 30 into 1.2553 will come. So that is we are getting 37.6590 you can add, because 0 is not there, 0 I did not there. For 0 there is no value. Next what we are having? 15. So 15 into what will come? 1.3424 you can take. So that value it's coming 20.13. So 20.1360 you added. Next what we have? 12. So 12 into 1.4 16150. That answer is what will coming 16.9800 added, because I want after decimal how much digit, 2 digit I want, so that I will add it here. Okay, next one we'll have 10 into 10. Now just simple shift the digit, so it will come 14.7710. Next we have 6, so that I will do 6 into 1.5315, so that answer is what coming 9.18. so 9.1890 you add it, it's not issue. Next we have 2 times 2 into 1.5798, that answer is 3.1596 is coming. So that's a value I have taken, everything we have taken. So after this one, finally what the value we need to get, we need summation fi log xi. We need to add all this column, so I'll doing simultaneously here, you just check it. What is the first value? So we will go with the last also, not issue, because one value is already here, so I've written here, so I make a plus, and what it's coming 9.1890, so 90 you can add. So second value I've taken, make a tick and plus. Next what is that? 14.7710, that second value of third value of written, make a plus, and then we have 16.9800, so third value also I have entered, so plus. Next one 20.1360, that I have added. Next 37 I have written, 37.6590, that I have taken. So then plus. Next we have 20.6298 I have written, then plus. Finally what it's coming, plus 10, no need to, you want put 0.00, not issue, that I have written here, and the next we have finally plus 4.6692 we have to add, we have to add this one. So you can see here what the answer is coming on 137.936. Write it properly, because I need to write before the camera, that's why it's coming in this way. So okay, that value I have written, summation fi log xi is over. Now we are going to do, this is the value, this value will come as n value sigma fi is what will come here 109. What's the value? 109. So that value will come 109 will come. You want, you check it, see here 6 plus 10 plus this one, 6 plus 10 plus 1, 18 plus 30 plus 15 plus 12 plus again 10 plus 6 plus 2. So what's that? Somewhere I have missed here. I'll just a minute, I will check. Here it is 109 is given, so we will check the data, because sometime it may be wrong. 6 plus 10 plus 18 plus 30 plus 15 plus 12, 15 plus 12 plus 10 plus 6 plus 2. So answer is what it's coming, exactly 109. So what they have given, it's correct, 109 it's correct. Now we got all the value. So here log fi xi is value, n value is that. So now according to the formula I will write here. So according to the formula, what the value is, GM value is, what's the formula? Anti-log of sigma fi into log xi by n. That value, write it here. That is nothing but here anti-log of sigma fi xi value. Just now you found it 137 point. Here it is 137.1936. 137.1936 divided by 109. That only the value is that n value. You can see here 109. So that n value I have written. Now we are going to divide this one. If you are dividing, what the answer is coming, we will check. Now you can see here So I'm writing here 137.1936, that value I've written, divided by what is 109. So we are getting 1 point, so that you write here. So here will come anti-log of what will come 1.25864, 4 digit you take. Here 5 is there, you can see here 5 is there. Sorry, just see here the value is what, here the value is 1.25865. you want, you round it, not issue, round it now. 6 now what will come here, 7 will come, you round it now. Okay, your wish, you take 7 also, not issue. Now we need to take what, our anti-logarithm for this value you need to take, that will be the answer. So here you will write 1.2587. So you will take 25.8 and mean difference is 7. Okay, that you take. So I will show you in this anti-logarithm table you take. So here you check first is what, in top anti-logarithm. So what's the value? 25.8 you check. Where is it? 25.25. You can see here it is 25. For that, from that one you need to check 8. So you see here I'm just little bit making a little clear here. 25 is here, 8 is here, so 8 as such it's coming here 25. So the value is what it's coming, 1.811. so that I will write 1.811, and mean difference is what, 7. So that 7 we need to see. In 25 7, mean difference is what, 7. You can see 3. You can see here 3 is there, 7 is here. So 7, from this 7 it's coming like this, and 25 is like this. So its value is what it's coming, see 3. So that 3 value you add it here. So 3 you add it, now what we are getting, 1814. So leave this decimal is, you write here characteristic 1 plus 1 2, so 2 decimal. So 18.14 will come, that is the value of geometrical mean of the given data. Is that clear how we are going to do? So this is the way of calculating geometrical mean for all the 3 types we have shown. First is raw data, next one is group data. In group data we are having 2 cases. Okay, so I want to discuss this final way also. Some merits and demerits are there. So that we'll see later how to solve the problem, that alone you see. Next topics HM, not your headmaster, is a harmonic mean. That is the harmonic mean we are going to find. What is the formula for this one? HM means harmonic mean is here n by sigma 1 by xi, I ranging from 1 to n, that you can write it. That is a harmonic mean for this data. It's interesting questions are that I will see here. So same logic only we are going to follow here also, which I have discussed. This is for raw data. Okay, there won't be F here. So for HM group data, this is ungroup also, we can say ungroup. Okay, so that is ungroup also you can say. For group is same thing will come. What's that one? N by sigma I ranging 1 to n. Here Fi will be there into 1 by xi. You want club it, not issue. Fi by xi also you can take it, not a issue at all. Okay, so that our wish. This will come for both what type? That is discrete and continuous type, the same formula. How we are doing geometrical mean formula also, the same thing here we can use it here. Inshallah, I will explain you, its problem is there. I will explain you how to calculate this harmonic progression. It's lengthy questions are lengthy, but answers are so simple. I will send few questions, please try to do as a homework. We'll see in the next class. I repeat one more time, in your board examination you are allowed to use calculator and logarithmic table. No need to worry about it. So please have a ordinary calculator and try to calculate it. It will be useful to you, and you must know how to handle the calculator too also. Please do it and complete your class work and send to me. Thank you. Wassalam.